Load render state is a feature that lets you resume a render interrupted manually or by a crash. It restores the process from the last saved state, so you can pick up right where it left off. Let's set this up quickly. Activate Combine Objects and Combine Materials. The total number of images to export is 15. Start the render. I stopped the render manually. Let's take a look at the export folder. We can see 3 images for cube, and 3 for torus. Let's go back to the root of the export directory. A file named render_state has been created. Let's open it. This file contains various information. Let's focus on these values for now. Current combination index is 6. Images exported is 6 out of 15. Render status is stopped. For more detailed information about this file, please refer to the documentation. Now let's go back to the renders folder and delete the cube and torus folders to simulate a crash. Activate the load render state button to load the saved state from the render_state file. Important: load render state will only work if the random render slider is set to 100%, as no fixed index is assigned when the percentage is lower. Relaunch the render. The process resumes from index 6 and continues until completion. Render complete. Check the export folder again. Only one folder appears, cube_torus. Let's open the render_state file again. It has been updated. Current combination index has gone from 6 to 15. Images exported shows 9 new images, added to the 6 from the previous session, for a total of 15. Render status, completed. That's it for the load render state feature. Thanks for watching.